In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to clean your mirror using just water and 2 microfiber towels and no glass cleaner, getting results like this in under 1 minute. This will be the best glass cleaning tutorial you've ever seen because all you need is 2 clean microfiber cloths and water. And we use this method in our professional cleaning business. I use it at home. I run a car detailing business and I've cleaned Ferrari windscreens using this method. It's super quick, super easy. Follow Microfiber Talks best practice if you want to see how that's done. I have a video on it, but get your microfiber towel with just water, okay, fold it properly, flip to the fresh side. You can see the dirt has come off the glass. Flip to the fresh side. Have a little bit of toothpaste residue down the bottom. Hot water, just dip the cloth into hot water, will cut through this in half a second, but that's already gone, okay? Flip the towel to yet another clean portion, give it a final wipe around, okay? Get your dry cloth. Now I use this method, as I said, to clean all my glass, but I also teach this method on my cleaning courses because it's the best method for glass cleaning I've ever used. And you should be able to see there that that glass is now dry, or just about to be dry, is absolutely spotless and doesn't have a streak on it. So if you use a cleaning product, no matter what that cleaning product is, on glass, it's going to leave a residue. This leaves absolutely nothing, and that mirror is absolutely gleaming. There isn't a mark on it.